high-pressure homogenizer mainly consists of a belt-driven plunger power section and a working zone with an adjustable slit controlled by a handle. Under the reciprocating motion of the plunger, the material is delivered into a valve assembly with a variable slit size. As it passes through the narrow gap, the material strikes the homogenizing valve at extremely high velocity, generating cavitation, impact, and shear effects, thereby achieving excellent results in bacterial disruption, liquid sample homogenization, grinding, and emulsification. In the biotechnology industry, high-pressure homogenizers are used for breaking down organisms such as Escherichia coli, yeast, chlorella, and Haematococcus. In pharmaceutical formulation, they are applied in preparing emulsions, suspensions, and special formulations to achieve controlled particle size and uniform emulsification. In the chemical and materials industry, they are utilized for dispersion, delamination, grinding, and preparation of nanomaterials. In the food and skincare industries, high-pressure homogenizers are employed in producing nanoscale cosmetics, functional foods, and beverages.